Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the popcorn bucket that's also a music box, and we can turn the key on the bottom. And I got this during the Disney World Very Merry Christmas Party at the Magic Kingdom. Okay, it's also a popcorn bucket. It's all made out of tin. There we go. There's only a few remaining of these events left that you can actually get this. They don't sell it in any of the stores. See, it says Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party 2022. Right there. There's the wristband that I had. Filled with popcorn. It's about $30 at the park. It has this lid with the gold Mickey on top. And it will, of course, last a lot longer. As much as you want. As long as you turn the bottom right there. And this song is from one of the parades at Disneyland. There we go. So it's a music box, it's a popcorn bucket. Here's the strap that you can put around your arm to carry it during the day. And it does come apart off the side. So if you want to remove the strap, you can remove it from both sides. Right there. And I like the gold Mickey top, and this red is very neat too. It has a hinge on the back so you won't lose the lid. So if you see these without the lid, this has been broken off. This is plastic, so be mindful of that when you're opening and using it. But what a cool thing to get from Disney World at a special event. I don't believe they've had one of these tin ones before. They've always been plastic at other events. So this is a nice change from Disney World. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.